Good morning children. Today start the class for 3rd standard maths. Previous class you learned for unit 5 time. Once again I revise you. This is a clock. Clock shows the time. Clock is having the number 1 to 12. So clock have two hands, short and long hand. Short hand shows hours, long hand shows minutes. Read the time and write in two ways. Clock is given to you, then you find out the time and write for two method. One is 4 o'clock, another one is 4 o'clock, 4 hours, 0 minutes. This clock shows the time for, yes, hour hand is here 10, minute hand is here 12. So write the time for 10 o'clock. So how to write? 10 o'clock. Then another one method, write the time for hours 10, minutes 0. The next one sum, hours hand is 5, minutes hand is 12. So write the time for now 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K. Then next one write another method 5 0 0. I give for these two sums for homework. You clear now children? Shall I move for new exercise today? Roman letter 2. Roman letter 2. Draw hand on the clock face to show the time given below. Clock is given to you. Time is shows given here. So how to find out, draw the hand? Look here now. Children, now shows the clock for 5 o'clock, but here given the time for 5:30. So minutes and moving now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then hours hand is also moving for off. So 6 and 5 between the line. So just move this off. So this time is shows here 5:30. Ready to draw the hand now? 30 means 6, 5:30. So you move the hand for hour and 6 after off. After 6. So this one is showing the time for 5:30. The next one, B sum, given the clock for 9 o'clock. So draw the hand for shorten in 9. Shorten for 9. Then clock is given to you. So put for this one 0 only. So straight line draw here 12. Shows the hand for minute and 12. So this is the long hand. Shows for 12. Short hand shows for 9. So this is the 9 o'clock. You understand now children? The next one sum. C sum. Clock is given here. Time for 7:45. So I show now. Your clock is 7 o'clock now. Then this minutes hand is moving now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So hour hand is moving now. This off. After, not to state before the line. Okay. So this is saying here 7:45. This is saying here 7:45. Ready to draw now? So here not reach for 8 before the line. This one for before the 8. So 7 o'clock now. Then 45 reach the 9. 45 minutes. So 7:45. Then next one, D sum. Time is given for 10 o'clock. So easy to draw for R and S shows for 10. So that is short and only. So shows the time for 10. Then here shows the time for 12. That is long and so you put the arrow. So this is saying here 10 o'clock. Okay. You understand, children? Next one, Roman letter 3. This one, express time in 2 ways. Find out now, children. First sum. R and is a small and. So this one shows for 4 o'clock. Then long and shows for 2. So you find out the minutes now. Here 0. Move for 1, 5 minutes. 2, 10 minutes. So 4 o'clock, 10 minutes. You write the time now. 4, 10. So this one is past or 2. So reach the 4 after move for 10 minutes. So this one saying for past. So first you write 4 o'clock 15 minutes. Another one method you written now. Write another one method for 10 minutes. MINUTES 10 minutes. So 10 minutes after the 4. So you write 10 minutes past. So hours for 4. So you write now 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. So this one is here. Reach for 4 after only move for 10 minutes. That's why you say here past. Then this one sum, second sum, B sum. Here shows for short and is a 7. Before the line for 7. Then hours is 10. So how to find out the minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Here 50 minutes. But you write the time for. This one is not shows for straightly. Slightly move to 7 o'clock. So before the time says here 6. 6. Then this one for 50 minutes. 6:50. 6:50 is the times is showing. Then another one word method you says for 5, 10. So 10 minutes needed to reach the hours. This minutes is converted to hours. So balance timing here for 10 minutes. That's why here saying for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. MINUTES 10 minutes. TO2 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. Here needed to 10 minutes. But here past. 10 நிமிஷம் 4 o'clock அடுத்ததா 10 நிமிஷம் ஆயிருக்கு. 4 மணி 10 நிமிடம். So 4 o'clock 10 minutes. So here write for past. Here 6 o'clock ஆயிட்டிருக்கு. 50 minutes முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இன்னொரு 10 நிமிஷம் இருந்ததுன்னா 7 o'clock சேஞ்ச் ஆயிடும். அதனால 2-7 written here 2-7 here past 4 o'clock is completed. So write past 4 o'clock 10 minutes. Here 2 இன்னொரு 10 நிமிஷம் ஆச்சுன்னா 6ல இருந்து 7 சேஞ்ச் ஆயிடும். That's why here written for 10 minutes to 7. Okay, you understand now, children? This is the important. You easy to learn. Listen carefully, children. Next one, see some hours and is 10 before 10 before, then minutes hand is 9. So you write the counting now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So here written for 45 minutes you find out. Then reach the clock for before 10. So not 10. This one is straightly move for this slide changes is there. So after only you get for 10 o'clock. So before that you write now 9 o'clock 45 minutes. So write the way for 9 o'clock 45 minutes. Then next one, how to say in words 15 minutes more. So here 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes after reach the time for 10 o'clock. So you write now 15 minutes. So write the word in 15 minutes. M-I-N-U-T-E-S minutes. TO2. 15 minutes after reach the time for 9 is changed now 10. You understand children? So here this center point to you change this. So line difference is there. You reach the 10, this hand is moving. That's why needed to 15 minutes. Before that you show the hand for before the 10. Okay. The next one sum. D sum. Here shows the time for 1 and 2 between the line. Then next one 3. So you find out the time is 1 o'clock after, but minutes is 5, 10, 15. So what do you write the time now? 1:15. Write the time is now 1 after 15 minutes. That's why you written the words 15 minutes. Write in another one method quarter. Quarter Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. This 15 minutes changed here quarter. So you write this two way of writing the method. So 15 minutes quarter Q-U-A-R-T-E-R quarter. Past. P-A-S-T past. 15 minutes is completed after the 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் 15 minutes வந்திருக்கு. So you write here 15 minutes. So write the time for now 1 o'clock. ஒரு மணி முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா 15 நிமிஷம் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்றத தான் சொல்றோம். 1 o'clock quarter past to 1 o'clock. So 1:15 is a time now. Okay, you understand now children? Then next one last sum. This one is your shorthand. So this shorthand is after 4 o'clock. So reach the 4 after only move this hand. Now longhand shows for 6. So find out the minutes now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here 30 minutes is reached for after 4 o'clock. So you write the time for 4:30. Write the time now 4:30. 4:30. But another one method. So you reach the clock for this one off. So this cutted for clock off. So 30 minutes. Total is 60 minutes. So 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. So 30 minutes is completed this hour hand. So balance off only is there. Remaining off only is there. That's one here saying for past. Off past. H-A-L-F. Off past. So what is the time now? 4 o'clock. Off past for half an hour. You say that word, half an hour. 4:30. So 4:30, or say for half an hour more for reach the 5 o'clock. That's why you are saying for half past. So write the time now, 4 o'clock. So past means that same time you written here. 2 means write for next one number, hours. So here 9 o'clock. Here 9 o'clock. So write for 2. So 9 after number 10. Here past is write for same number. So here past is say for same hours. So here given the time hour is 4 o'clock. So you should write for past 4. You understand the concept, children? This is the two methods. You written the way and draw the and find out the time. You learn the topic for unit 5 time. You understand? I hope everyone understand this topic. Okay. You will learn next class for calendar. Okay, children. Thank you.